We are working on GMetrix Access 2016, Practice Exam 2. We're on Project 6 called Computer Sales. Task 1 asks us to go to the catalog build form and configure all the print margins to 0.5. It tells us to save and close the catalog build tool form. Before we begin, if this is on your screen, enable content. Let's go ahead and do that. What we want to do is select the catalog build tool. We'll go to File here at the top. We'll select Print. And in the Print section, we want to select Print Preview. On the Print Preview tab, what you want to do is go to the Page Layout group, select Page Setup, and change the margins here from 0.25 to 0.5 for each section. When you're done, you'll click OK. And we'll close out of this form. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 2 asks us to go ahead and sort the records on the manufacturer's form alphabetically by the manufacturer name. Let's go ahead and open up the manufacturer's form. What we're going to do is put our cursor here in the manufacturer section, and then in the sort and filter group, we want to go ahead and select ascending. We can close out of this, and we can click Mark Completed. Task 3 wants us to insert a PNG file found in our GMetrix templates folder as the background of the catalog build tool form. So let's go ahead and open that up in Design View. We want to go to the Format tab here at the top, and in the background group, we want to click Background Image dropdown. Now you might have that image here, but I'm going to go ahead and browse to my GMetrix folder just to make sure I'm inserting the right image. In that folder, I'll select Laptop and click OK. We can close out of this, and I'll click Mark Completed. Task 4 wants us to construct a report based upon manufacturer's product catalog and computer sales tables. The report should list the item name, quantity sold, and quarter grouped at the highest level by the name of the manufacturer and then grouped by quarter. And that tells us to sort the results by the item name in ascending order and then the quantity sold in descending order. It tells us to apply the stepped layout and landscape, and it also tells us to name the report. Let's go to the Create tab here at the top. We're in the Reports group. We want to select Report Wizard. In our tables, the first thing we want to do is go to the Manufacturer's table, and we want to select Manufacturer. We'll bring that field over. The next table that we want to select is the Product Catalog. And from here, we want to select Item Name. We'll bring that over. And then we want to look at the Computer Sales table. We're going to bring over Quarter and Quantity Sold. We'll click Next. In this part of the dialog box, it's asking us how we want to add grouping. The first level that we want is Manufacturer, so we'll go ahead and have that selected and bring that over. And then the second grouping that we want is called Quarter, so we'll bring that over. We'll go ahead and click Next. In this section, what we want to do is have the item name, it says in ascending, and then it tells us quantity sold, descending. So we'll just click here to change that. We'll click Next. It tells us that we want to apply the stepped layout. We want to change this to landscape. We'll click Next. What title do we want for this report? We're going to go ahead and call it Sales by Quarter. We'll go ahead and click Finish. And we can close out of this. We'll click Mark Completed.